Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw, and we are still tracking our Weather Authority alert day for tomorrow and on Sunday as well. We're going to start to see winds steadily pick up tonight, giving a little bit of a precursor as to what's coming on the way. Tomorrow, though, going to be nice early in the day, so thinking St. Patrick's Day weekend activities in the morning, the parade in Roanoke that Abby was just talking about, going to have nice weather for that. The rain's going to begin later in the day and begin to intensify, especially after sunset, and last overnight into Sunday. Now, Sunday is going to have the greatest severe weather potential as we're going to start to see that daytime heating kick in, which is going to provide quite a bit of energy in the atmosphere along with that ample moisture and that front moving through. Taking another look at visible satellite, you can see a tornado watch was just issued throughout parts of the Midwest due to how strong that system is going to end up being for that area, and it's going to intensify more as it heads further on to the east, bringing in quite a bit of moisture from the Gulf that's going to end up intensifying it even more. Now, severe weather category risk, because we have a little bit of everything over the next few days. High risk, we do have that for parts of the Gulf Coast. As for us, we're going to be mostly within a slight range. Could see it get up to an enhanced depending on how much energy this storm uses over the next 24 hours. With that being said, severe risk for today, you could see that area in the Midwest that's already seeing quite a bit of tornadic activity and several severe thunderstorms. That's what we're expecting today. As we go into tomorrow, that shifts further to the southeast. And then you notice that pink color on there, that high risk, a level 5 out of 5 for severe weather. We haven't had one of those since May 6th of last year from a storm system that was out in Oklahoma and Kansas. And the last time we had one on the second day of issuance was April 14th, 2012. Virginia hasn't seen one of these since 2011, and Roanoke hasn't since 1993, which was the only high risk that's been issued for the Roanoke region. Sunday is going to be the day where we have to monitor that slight risk and that storm development as we go into the weekend, as that's going to be the day where we have the most energy and the most ingredients all there for severe weather. Let's time it all out for you with Futurecast. That ample storm energy is going to create that dangerous tornado potential for the Mississippi River Valley and into the Midwest, with hail possibly baseball-sized throughout parts of this system, especially in the south. Now, as we get into Sunday, you're going to notice Sunday morning we start to see that cold front pass, bringing heavy rain into the area and some damaging winds. Now, between 12 and 4 p.m., we could easily see a few of these more discrete cells pop up, which in turn would lead to any kind of tornado risk, assuming there's still a little bit of energy in the atmosphere. And then we're clearing up by dinner time Sunday night, and then calm weather follows that. Again, biggest threat is going to be wind, although we can't rule out a little bit of hail and a tornado as well within our area. As for tonight, we're going to have temperatures in the 40s and 50s throughout the region before heating up into the 60s once more tomorrow. That 60 to 70 degree temperature range continues here over the next 7 days, as we're going to start to see that rain begin Saturday night. So, John, Rachel, I know a lot of folks probably planning on going out to St. Patrick's Day activities.
Yep.
Luckily, it looks like it's going to be nice for the first half of tomorrow. So,
Good.